Hey there, kitchen fans! Today, we're unveiling the top 10 best kitchen gadgets from Amazon. Clever, affordable tools to simplify your cooking. From slicers to space savers, these are game changers you'll wish you'd found sooner. Want more great finds? Subscribe now! Links to buy are in the description. Let's get started. Fried egg pan with lid from Bobakuke. What a breakfast game changer from Amazon. This non-stick aluminum alloy cooker has a smart 4-cup design, ideal for omelets, pancakes, or burgers. It's induction compatible, heats evenly, and features a color-changing silicone strip to guide your cooking. Cleanup's a breeze with its non-stick coating, and it comes with a tempered glass lid for convenience. Watermelon Cutter Slicer Tool from Banya is your summer kitchen MVP, straight from Amazon. This 3-in-1 gadget combines a fork, slicer, and popsicle cutter, all in sleek stainless steel and green plastic. It effortlessly cubes watermelon, shapes popsicles, and works on other fruits like mango or cantaloupe too. The ergonomic handle keeps it comfy and safe, while the dishwasher-safe design makes cleanup a snap. Compact and clever, it's a steal. Check the description for the link to grab this fruity favorite. The Grip Jar Opener from the G-Grip store is a kitchen hero straight from Amazon. This under-cabinet gem, made in the USA, uses sharp carbon steel teeth to effortlessly pop open any jar or bottle lid. No wrist strain needed. Perfect for seniors, arthritis sufferers, or anyone who struggles with stubborn lids, it's been a family-crafted favorite since 1977. Simple, sturdy, and reliable. It's a small business win you'll love. Mr. Barbecue Cook, Carry and Serve Tray from the Mr. Barbecue store is a genius Amazon find for indoor and outdoor cooking. This clever blue plastic tray fits standard half-size foil pans, letting you cook, transport, and serve without the mess. Its clear, removable lid with vent holes keeps food fresh and visible, while the stackable design saves space. KP Kitchen Pancake Batter Dispenser from the KP Kitchen store is a breakfast essential you'll find on Amazon. This handy purple tool makes perfect pancakes, waffles, cupcakes, or crepes, with its easy pour design and built-in measuring label. Crafted from durable, BPA-free plastic, it features a wide opening for simple filling and a mess-free valve that handles thick batters like a charm. The trigger handle gives you portion control with a quick squeeze, keeping your kitchen clean and your creations consistent. Maestri House Milk Frother from the Maestri House store is a coffee lover's dream, available on Amazon. This sleek black stainless steel gadget warms and froths milk with customizable temperature and thickness settings, perfect for lattes, cappuccinos, or hot chocolate. Its generous capacity handles multiple servings, while the smart touch controls make it a breeze to use. Dishwasher safe and stylish, it's a barista-quality upgrade for your kitchen. Portable espresso machine from the Liberi store is a travel-friendly gem on Amazon. This compact battery-powered coffee maker brews rich espresso from grounds or capsules, perfect for home, office, camping, or RV trips. Lightweight and rechargeable, it delivers bold flavors with no power outlet needed. Just charge it up and go. Easy to clean and heat-resistant, it adapts to cold or hot water for shots on demand. Egg Maker from the Menanov store is a smart little kitchen find on Amazon. This compact electric cooker whips up hard-boiled, soft-boiled, or steamed eggs with ease, perfect for home, RV, or camping. Its sleek white design features a digital timer, transparent lid, and auto shut-off with a buzz alarm for spot-on results every time. Lightweight and BPA-free, It's a breeze to store or take on the go. Large digital kitchen scale from Rujixu is a powerhouse you can snag on Amazon. This stainless steel wonder handles up to 30 kilograms or 66 pounds, perfect for baking, cooking meat, or even counting small items like coins. Its LCD display lights up for easy reading, and it offers tear and pricing features, great for home or small business use. With options for AC power or batteries, it's versatile and built to last. Refrigerator deodorizer from the Purico store is a clever Amazon find that keeps your fridge fresh for up to a decade. This stainless steel odor eliminator uses advanced technology to zap smells at the source, outshining baking soda or bamboo bags. No power or refills needed. Its compact, stylish design fits anywhere, from freezers to drawers or even suitcases.